How to use Instagram broadcast channel. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use Instagram broadcast channel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram, and what you need to do is you need to enable that broadcast channel. So what you need to do is to just search for a person or a creator that have that. So I will search for FlowJ right here and then click on this more too in order to join their broadcast channel. Then after that, just click on join right here. Then once you have joined, you can see his channel right here. Now let's head over again to my homepage and onto my inbox right here. So let's try to refresh it. And then from in here, it will appear a channel right here. As you can see, just like this. It will appear just like this. Now once you have done that, then you can see all of their inbox are the messages that they have on that specific broadcast channel. You can also create a broadcast channel by clicking on this edit icon right here or create icon, and then from there you can use or create your own broadcast channel. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Instagram broadcast channel. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.